3 of us are from UT Austin, and we have one token ag here.
So I'm actually an aspiring nurse, so I have actually shadowed in hospice care as well as nursing homes for a while now, and so I totally understand how the patients feel. I understand that they're in a depressed mode, they need someone to talk to constantly, but the staff to patient ratio is insane. Like, it's unbelievable, and they just need someone to talk to, and that's what our robot's for.
So first things first, it's gonna ask you for your name. So you're gonna give it a unique identifier. I'm gonna say my name is Yuri, because that's my name. So now it asks me for anything that I need. So like I said, it's an emotional system. We can do interactions with it.
Of course, we're using the Joji SDK here, and then for our backend API, we have Node.js communicating through just HTTP requests.
It was really interesting learning about animations and how the application will be structured internally within it. Building all of these physical movements and making it an emotional interaction between the two. But beyond that, we also see it as a notification system. So on a more serious note, we can say something like, I have an emergency. So he'll react to the user saying, don't worry, everyone's been notified and someone will be on their way. Every one of us is a registered nurse in our internal system, and we just got a text message that says, my unique identifier, Yuri, has an emergency in their room.
Our original reaction was to make it flash and flare lights and go crazy when there was an emergency, and then we decided that's probably not the best thing to do.
That's the last thing you need.
When a patient is having an emergency, so we changed it to a more calming color, a pretty gentle body movement of the robot to try to calm down the patient while help is coming.
So someone's got to respond really quick to this emergency, and the first person who says okay will get a text saying thank you, and then Mochi will update the patient.
Or if you need something like a blanket or water, something less critical, both of those can be handled through Mochi.
So I'm sad. So don't feel bad, let me try and cheer you up. So it plays this nice little heart animation and tells you a joke.
If I told you I was sad right now, what's the joke that you would tell me?
What robot takes the longest way around usually? R2 Detour.
They're all robot jokes.
Yeah.